Alright guys, I'm installing this what's this now? I forgot the name of this thing. Play stop or something. Storage, whatever. So there's a plate in there guys that you need to put inside. Right here, that plate. Oops. Right there. That's a plate. You have to put that thing in there. And then you screw this right here. Oh wait a minute, now I forgot. Okay, yeah, I think that way. So you're gonna screw it using this two little screws right here. Oh wait a minute, so what I do is I put it outside right there. So I'm gonna do this. Now I forgot, I already installed this, but I was thinking that maybe I can choose someone to do this also in YouTube, because I was searching how to install this thing. I finally found this one guy. It's a different brand, but it almost exactly the same step that I am following. There you go. There you go. I can just really use my two small fingers to tighten it up. Okay, right there. And then there's the other one. Okay. It's this on the bottom. There you go. I'm not sure if I'm doing this correctly. The washer should go inside or outside. And that's how I did it, guys. Okay. I'm not going to use any tools to tighten it up, because I might gonna screw up. I can just use my fingers. It should be good. Okay, so now this, see this little thing over here? Make sure this thing is pointing up, and that little thingy over there is pointing up. But I screwed up this one right here because I was trying to, I have a bedrock here, but I have to actually, you know, destroy this or mold it, because I cannot drill on top of it, guys. The screw is just won't, you know, work. It won't stick. That's why I screw up the first hole over here. That's why I got lucky that I moved it a little bit down, but still it's good. So yeah, so there's 4 screws in there. I forgot what screw did I use. It's on the other plastic bag. That kind of screw like this. So it's 4 of them. Okay, you put it in there. Like I said, make sure that this, look for this thing. The installation should supposedly this should match that, but like I said, I messed up. So I got lucky. I put it, you know, I was able to move it a little bit down and able to, you know, fix this part that I screw up, that I messed up. So now one more thing is this. Make sure that thing's in there. See, like that. And that one right here, it's good, but this one's a little loose in the top. Okay, now once you got that, all you need to do is, oops, I hope you can see that. See, right, this is a little kind of a little so tricky to put this thing in there. Guys, be patient with me here, guys, while I'm trying to put this thing in there. There you go. Got it. See? Cool, huh? There you go. See, just like that. Now the last step would be the most challenging one, I believe. Let's do this, guys. But before I do that, I need to tighten this thing up. I'm not sure, but let me see. Yeah, that worked. Let's see. There we go. Is that good enough? Is that good? Okay. Okay. I just watched the video. He did not do anything special. I hope I can install this correctly. There you go. You have to pull it up. It's because of this thing, guys. That's why I have to put a little bit of, I have to like pull it so I can lock it. See, it's locked. You have to unlock it. Pull this one here, I think. There you go. Unlock it. I'm just gonna raise it a little bit. There you go. Cool. Not too bad. Now let's finish it up, guys. See that thing right there? I'm not really comfortable. It's not tight enough. Okay, we have one more right there. Okay, let's do this. Oh no, it's moving, guys. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna cut it. I am going to cut this. Yeah. I just cut that one. I'm hoping I will be able to tighten this up, guys. Alright. Is it doing it? I don't know. Let's see. You're talking to her. Oops, he doesn't know what to do with it. There we go. Come on. Is it tightening up? A little bit. Much better, I think. Alright, just the other one. Oh gosh, I'm not good. It's not really that great, guys. I hope it's gonna last. Alright. There we go. Ooh. Oops. That's much better than this one. That was a little loose. Oh, not too bad. Look. That's good enough. Okay. Let's try this again. Raise it up a little bit. Uh-oh, it's not locking. There you go. Now it's locked. Easy peasy. Nice. Alright. There's a lock in here. Now I can store all my junk in here. You know what I mean? Fishing stuff. Alright, there's keys in there. I don't need a key. I'm just gonna put it down there. There you go. That's it. as easy like that? No, it's not easy. Took me hours to find a video, a YouTube video that closely matches what I need to do. But yeah, guys, this is, be careful. I mean, I think you need to point that exactly to that hole right there, so you don't have that issue what I have, that I have to like pull it up a little bit to lock it. To unlock, it's not really that hard. There you go. You can just easily unlock it. But to lock it, like I said, I have to raise it up a little bit. There you go. Oh, where is it? There you go. That's fine, not too bad. I mean, not the end of the world. That's it. I'm planning to install another one right here, but the problem is this. It looks like it's on the way, but you know what? I'm gonna try it. I like to have two of these to store all my junk, tools and stuff. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned from my little info DIY project. We have a little problem here, guys. See that this screw here down here, I cannot tighten that up. Man, I don't know what to do with that, so I'm gonna put a glue in it. And that one too, I was able to tighten this up. When I was putting this, I was trying to loosen it up, and then I was having issue tightening it up, so I'm gonna put a glue on it. And for the records, guys, this thing right here, Gorilla Glue, useless. See, it's dry. I got this from Amazon, so I'm gonna try this one. This is really effective for PVC pipe. I was able to fix my one of my what do you call this now, irrigation thing with this. So I'm just gonna put a glue in it so it won't move. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's do that. More. Okay, how about that one right there? Oh, I don't know. You know what? For the heck of it, I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna squirt that glue in there, and I run out of it. Sorry guys. There you go. It's gonna stick, guys. Whatever. Is it dry up now? I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Alright, redo this one, guys. This is no good. It's no good. Okay. I hope I can find another spot in there that I can hook it. I mean, I can screw this thing. Now I know what to do. So hopefully I can fix this. All right. Wow, look at that, guys. So what I'm gonna do is, oh man, maybe one of these hole can fit, maybe that one. We'll put it a little bit inside. Maybe would that work? like that. You'll see. Like that. That should work. And look at what I got, guys. All my junks are in there. My fishing, whatever. And my pompano jig is right there. I need more storage. I'm gonna get that left side, the driver's side. Alright, that's it, guys. A lot easier. So I can just pull this. Oops. Unlock. Right? Unlocked. Over here. Ooh, nice. And then, oops. Okay. There you go. Get it locked. Still no good, huh? There you go. Oh, we should. Actually, we need it a little bit upper, guys. But I don't know. Should be good. I'm not kind of crazy about it. It's a lot better though. Okay, that's it. I'm done.